did. Hooray. I'm so happy.
Okay, so today's April 26th, Ortelius outreach meeting.
Yep, it is today, the outreach meeting.
So,
And we'll pass it off to Siddharth.
Okay, I think hello, good evening, good morning, and good afternoon, wherever geographical locations you guys are. I think after the badging systems, we have got good traction to the Ortelius website also. And if we see the analytics, I'm a person of measuring success in quantifiable sense. So in last 30 days, our page views has gone over 412%. The
Nice.
unique the unique visitors has gone 473%. This is the number. So again, I represent in the numerical forms. So also in terms of activities, the followers have increased. We have like over 14 followers in last 7 days.
Nice.
So that is a bit about our Ortelius one, how it is going.
Thank you. This is awesome to show this. This helps a lot.
Yes, absolutely. If you talk about followers also, uh, there's someone who is not on mute. Sorry. So we got 23 followers in last 30 days and 14 followers in last 1 week. And it has all become because we have started broadcasting about our badgings. Yes, who is there?
I just muted her.
Thank you. So this is one bit of thing that we wanted to share across. So, whatever guys you do it, please tag the Ortelius open source. Like for example, mentioning your badging systems, people have mentioned it. We got good traction. Now, as an example, just as an example, Aditi got this bronze. She shared across on the LinkedIn that he is now bronze one. So we got good traction of people who have seen this, and even one person out of this post gets interested in Ortelius. That is a success for Ortelius. So if you see 48 people have liked it, 9 people have commented on her success. So what we're doing, trying to do is, we are not doing one way. We are actually, since it is an open source community, we try to also motivate people to contribute to this community. So coming back to the contribution part, um, I'm not sure whether Karam or Aditi is there. Uh, they are not there. So one thing back to Tracy is, have you figured out which is the platform, Steve, from you also? Should we use Twitch TV at the moment, or we have any other thoughts?
Yeah, so I put out there a response, and I did look at Blogspot. Wait, Blogsprout? No. What is it called? It's
the
called
podcast one?
Buzzsprout.
Buzzsprout. Buzzsprout. And Buzzsprout, it's pretty low cost, and Deploy Hub could cover that. And it's free for 2 hours a month. So if I think to get started, we could easily do that, and then we could cover the cost of a Buzzsprout account. It's only like I think the first level is $12 a month. That's for doing
podcasts,
yeah,
right?
that's for doing podcast. Yeah. So I know that I've heard a lot of people who I know who are hosting use Buzzsprout and they like it. So I just looked at this. There are others, but this has a lot of it's here's your podcast and all these different locations. It looks like it's pretty easy to use. So I vote for this one unless somebody has something else that they want to use, but this one we can use and Deploy Hub can cover the cost. Go, Siddharth, would you go up to pricing? Yeah, so even if we hit the highest level, it's just $24 a month. So this is something we can definitely use. And it's free for 2 hours a month. And I'm not sure if how many we would do, 2 a month, say, for 30 minutes each. Not sure what you guys your thoughts are, but this is something we could certainly cover.
I think if you do 4 podcasts of let's say 30 minutes each, then also it reaches to 2 hours only.
Exactly, exactly.
Let's at least start with 4 podcasts and then we'll see if we have to ramp up.
And if we have to ramp up, 12, 18, and 24, and then you can upload more content for $2 an hour. So
Okay.
it's totally
The only
totally worth it.
the only thing with this is it is hosted only for 90 days.
I know, yes. So that's what I was
Um,
saying. If we want to if we use it and we decide we
Yes.
like it and we want to increase it before the 90 days are up to the $12 a month, then we can do that.
Okay. I'm of the view is my view is always is something is better than nothing. Let's kick off and start it. Let's see how it goes. Similarly, for our Trello board also, we have started doing it, and yes, it's going well.
Yeah. Yes, we started
Okay.
slow and now I'm using it. Now I'm starting to get in the habit of using it, and I have everybody's recording is listed here. So if you are doing a recording and you haven't gotten it scheduled yet, reach out to Garima. And everybody who's doing a recording should have gotten her email.
The other thing is just for our purpose, we have this one coming up, and there are quite a number of people, folks from our community who are participating in this, the DevOps Online Summit. Just reminder for all.
That is
It
this
starts
week.
today. Yes, it starts today, in fact.
Yeah.
So whoever is part of this, please start broadcasting. Please start even tagging the Ortelius if you're participating in this. We will ensure that we will retweet, like, share it so that it reaches maximum people.
Yes. So Siddharth is present. When do you present?
I'm presenting it tomorrow.
And then Steve is presenting.
I don't know. I don't remember doing it. Is it live
Yes.
or is it recording?
No, it's recorded. You're doing it at
Right.
1. Is that today or tomorrow? On Wednesday. Yeah.
Okay. So out for the people, please join the sessions. They are great sessions. And yes, of course, since Tracy is leading the CI/CD track, why don't you hear it out?
Also, Juan is presenting as well.
Yes, Juan is not. I'm not sure how Juan got excited about Ortelius. He must have saw it somewhere along the way. But he actually got a presentation for CDF too.
So under Tracy, there are quite a number of people. Yes.
I will actually go there and start tweeting this out right now, this page.
We should have this on the calendar, I think so, like almost like a meeting.
I should have put it on the calendar. I didn't even think about it.
Yeah, like this meeting. I just don't going to miss it if I have it in the calendar for sure. So maybe
Yep.
it's going to be helpful.
I'll put it on the calendar. I've been trying to put the other, I need to put the, did I put the May 20th event on the calendar?
Yes.
I did? Okay, good. It's like a lot of things to remember to do. I will put this on the calendar for this week.
Okay, so this was another thing. Anything on the Trello board? Anyone is working around and finding anything challenging?
I think we probably should talk about Twitch TV. Steve, do you want to talk anything about what you discovered and what you think we should do for the May 20th event?
Right. So Twitch TV, just to give some background so people understand what it is just a broadcasting channel. It's not like a Facebook Live where it's going to persist. It's not going to persist the content. So what you need to do is, it will do it for a short period of time. It'll persist the content, but basically it's a way to hook up the OBS, which is the on-screen broadcasting software, and you can send it out to a channel. So we have our channel out there. We're offline right now, and one of the things that we can set up is being able to put the presentation and the Discord side by side on the Twitch channel, which I'm pretty sure we can do, because that's the way the gamers do it all the time. So you will be able to have the presentation going, and on the side of it we'll have the Discord channel where people can chat around the presentation that's happening. So in the Discord channel, we'll still push the link. So if somebody wants to go and watch the link themselves through YouTube, we can do it that way, or they could watch it through the Twitch as a live stream as part of that process. So when it gets down to it, it's basically queuing up all the content that we want to push out to the channel. We just take the MP4s and we just add a queue, and off they go. Now, one of the things when you're live, like on that one right there, the Minecraft one. So see how that person's down in the lower right-hand corner. The Twitch allows you to do like a green screen and place other video on top of video. So it ends up being like a news channel as part of that. I don't think we're going to be using that part of that feature, but it is available for us down the road. So you can have like the window part that's going on. So that's kind of what's happening on the Twitch side. We will need to figure out if we want to host or post the whole summit in one big chunk, or post it in smaller chunks. I'm guessing we're going to post it in the smaller chunks so it's easier for people to look and replay just a section. So that's what's happening on the Twitch side. So we still need to get our recordings done, and then we'll get them queued up that day. So that's...
Any questions, anyone? Any ideas, any thoughts?
I just want to say, if you need OBS, I'm using OBS right now. So, and I'm recording some stuff for I already recorded. So I'm using this little stuff like Jose, Steve says. So I already put this, some background for terminal and stuff like that. Even if you want to do like a showcase, I can like invite you, because I can import your camera, so I can just like host this and put all your cameras and tag with this. It's really easy. I have a lot of templates for like for doing stuff like you said. So yeah, I usually use Twitch, so just let you know for don't start from zero, okay?
Awesome. So maybe we're going to bug you for helping us post out the recordings for the 20th.
Yeah,
Because
sure.
we have to do that live, right? On the 20th, we have to run it live on Twitch.
Yeah. So what you... Go ahead, Sergio.
It depends. You can record it, and you can do you can schedule and doing like it was live. So we can record everything and just put a date and going live, a live recording at the end. And maybe like a host can be on the front of the recording just to like being commenting. So you can do that too. So
Yeah,
it's
that's what I
pretty
was
fluid.
thinking, is that we're going to need some sort of host to kind of do the intro on of what the next section is. So kind of in between each segment, we'd have a person live, because I think we're going to have a 15-minute, more or less, break between sessions. Is that it, Tracy?
Yes.
So in that 15-minute break, that we'll have to do something in there, and then when it's getting closer, the whoever the host is or the MC would go ahead and kind of introduce the next section.
So if you want to be a host, let us know, and we will schedule a kind of a dry run to play with it, like on the 19th or sometime early in that week. It sounds like a fun
Yeah,
thing to
and
do.
we are going to need some modes on moderators in Twitch are really important, because sometimes just to help with the participant, another time because I don't know, Twitch is a huge community and there is a lot of bot and people trolling over there, so it's useful like some people be there because I don't know, some nasty people sometimes can show up. I don't know, but moderators is like key on Twitch. It's pretty, I don't know, risky if you don't have anyone. So still we are going to need the mods. The mods are just people in the chat that they have some comments just to be sure that everything is in order. Don't spam. And Twitch have a lot of bots, so we can use a lot of bots to moderate, and we can have bots like spamming the URLs, like the quotes, some documents. We can put some custom commands, like somebody put some mark and some command, and we can open something. It's pretty flexible, so we should like put what we are going, what is information is important on that moment, and we can schedule to be like any moment or be on demand when anyone puts some command over there. So
Okay, so I'm going to put a card out on Trello. I'll just add it as a to do, and I'll call it Twitch team. And we need probably 3 people, we'll say.
Well, yeah, you'll need a host and at least 2 to 3 other people.
To monitor Twitch, and everybody can be a host, so they can take turns on introducing or doing whatever. All right, okay, or just talking in between. So we have 15-minute breaks, so we should just be like, we need 2 people really that can banter well.
Well, even we can just you can just play some intermission music, and you can have the Discord chat going at that level. So there's a lot of options in that. I think after we should start looking at this the first or second week of May and really start playing around with it and get the plan sorted out sooner than later.
Okay. All right. So I put a card out there. If you're interested, just put your name to the, assign yourself to it. Should be fun. That would be a fun project to learn Twitch, I think. Nitu. Hey, Nitu. I'm so glad to see you.
Hello.
It's good
Sorry,
to see
guys,
you.
I am in a lot of meetings these days since in the new role, so I'm not able to attend.
It's okay. It's okay. We know that you're still around. I see you here and there. We do have you scheduled for the May 20th to hand out badges, though.
Okay,
And
May
that's
20th.
Yeah, that's at 9 o'clock, 9 to 9:30 your time.
I'll block my calendar.
Okay, good.
May 20th. Okay, sounds good. I'll block my calendar. I did want to touch base about the GSOC mentorship and So from what I understand, we have one application. I looked at the proposal. So in the past, the proposals I have seen are like very elaborate. Like I'll be doing this in the first month and I'll be doing the second in this month. I have not seen that, but at the same time, there's not a lot of competition. We have only one application. So I wanted to understand from the team how they feel about mentoring him. I can mentor him from a like product point of view, like how do you go about planning your contributions, making a proposal, etc. But I'll need some technical help. Steve and I have been talking, so I just thought I'll join in and ask, what's the team's point of view? In my point of view, I think even if we have one, if we get started, next year we can shoot for more people.
Yeah, I think that's my point of view as well. And again, we had, we're really focused on diversity, and he is from Morocco, so it'd be really cool to have somebody from Morocco.
Got excellent surf.
Yeah, so
Morocco's got great surfing. Sorry.
what was that, Sasha?
I was just saying Morocco's got amazing waves if you want to go surfing.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's absolutely amazing, yeah. It's just a little bit of general knowledge for you guys.
I love the sweets.
So on it, Nita, I think I have not seen that how many slots are going to be given to the CDF. So I think they're still trying to go figure that out through the emails. So I don't know if we'll get a slot or not, but I think we should go ahead and say that we'll mentor them. And like you said, I'll respond to Oleg today and in the comments, and basically even though his proposal, basically there wasn't really that much of a proposal at all. And it may be just because he doesn't understand the process. Like we don't understand the process really. But I think the base skills are there, and we can kind of tailor and help, create a project plan, like you said, some deliverables, those types of things. Some of the way it kind of sounded like from the Jenkins side is, these people put their proposal out there and it's all up to them on their own to basically deliver. And I think we need to take a more hands-on approach to help guide these people. I mean, they are university students, so none of them are going to be used to running big projects. So.
Right. In the past, like for the projects where there's a lot of competition, I have seen like proposals which are very detailed, and I have also seen like students who I guess those are the students who have been there and done that, and they know how to compete and all that. While I can see that he might be a newcomer and he might not have a lot of connections or network to understand what was exactly needed. And regarding the slots, I saw the email that asked that. My understanding was that the ball is in our court. Like if we want to mentor him, they'll provide us that slot. And regarding his questions, like how does he rank? Well, there is no rank. He's number one.
Right.
So yeah,
he's number one.
Exactly. So that's what I had shared in my response. So you can refer to me in distro. I think I answered all those 3 questions. Like the proposal is not strong, but we can mentor him, and then you have to click the be a mentor on the form itself, like on the Google website. GSOC website, and then you just have to say that we don't have a queue for ranking.
Right. Now, I will go in and click to be a mentor. I did that initially, and then with the going back and forth that he wasn't qualified, so I unmentored myself. I'll go back in and be a mentor. If you can go in and do the same, because I think they want to see that there's multiple mentors.
And I saw that Karamjeet had also clicked, So that's why I just want to make sure that there are like tech people also mentoring from the tech side of things, and I can mentor him in the project. Okay.
Perfect. So I will get in there today and put in, make sure all the comments are there and get click as a mentor, and we'll see what happens. I think the TOC can't remember if the TOC meets this week, the CDF TOC, if it meets this week or next week. But that's where we'll figure it out, what the next step
Okay,
is.
sounds good. Thank you.
Thanks for taking care of that.
Okay. That's all.
Anything else, Siddharth, Tracy?
No, but we probably, if we are going to move forward, if we are accepted into the GSOC, we do need to do some, probably should write a blog about it, maybe a press release.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know when, I'd have to look at the calendar when they're going to accept everything, but we should know soon.
So,
Okay.
so yeah, so we published a blog about entering GSOC
Yeah.
for the competition. And I guess once we take the mentor, I was thinking we can ask the mentee, once he onboards, to write a blog about his experience as a mentee. And at the end of it, I don't know, maybe we can let him do it at the end of it, and in the middle, I or Steve can write about how we guided him. Either way is good. Is that what you had in mind, Tracy?
Yep. I think just getting accepted is important news for us too.
Okay. Okay. I get it. We can do that.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else apart from this? Or you can have 2 minutes back in your calendar.
Yep, I'm going to go start up the
Okay.
weekly stand-up for our coding effort on my Zoom account. So I'll see half of you over there.
Okay,
Cool.
Tracy. Anything from you, Tracy?
I'm good.
Okay.
Can I just ask one thing? Sorry.
Yeah,
That's-
go ahead.
I just need some, is it okay if I can get some, do you have like a PowerPoint stationery template that I can use for my presentation tomorrow? I'm presenting or this tomorrow.
Tracy, the PowerPoint for Sasha.
You didn't get one?
Oh, I can check my mail. Where's my mail? I'll catch up with you later. I'll just catch up with you on Discord. I don't want to hold anyone up.
No, it's okay. But you're talking about for the May 20th?
No.
No, I've got
Oh.
another one. I'm presenting a client that I work for is super keen
Oh,
on
okay.
Ortelius.
I forgot. You need like a sales deck, right? Yes.
Pretty much.
I will. And you want it for Deploy Hub or Ortelius?
I don't mind.
Okay,
Meaning they
all
can
right.
shrug. I don't mind.
I'll send you both.
Cool, thanks.
Okay, all right.
Cheers.
All right. Then thank you. Please stay tuned and keep watching and tagging the Trello board, working on the Trello board cards. That's it from my side. Yes.
Super. Thank
Bye.
you.
Cheers, everyone.
Good day. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.